A lot of people say Gen Z is lost or they're falling away, but I think it's quite the contrary. I think there's something that's shifted, and those that were born between like 1997 and 2012, that Gen Z generation, they're waking up. They're tired of seeing the empty promises that the world has to offer, and they're looking for the real promises that Jesus offers, the real abundant life. And they're tired of looking for entertainment, looking for the trends, and they're looking for the reality of the truth of the Word of God. I really do think there's been a shift. You see the churches filling up with Gen Z, the colleges having spontaneous worship nights, the Gen Z's asking hard questions about truth and really wanting to know the truth and reality of the Bible. So I think it's important now more than ever to pray for the next generation, to pray for my generation, for Gen Z, because God's doing something in their hearts and lives, and it's amazing to see. And I don't think we're looking for a revival anymore. I think we're in the middle of a great awakening of Gen Z. So we really haven't gone away. We haven't fallen asleep. We're just now waking up.